Hi everyone. In this video, we will do the modern villa. So let's start. In the beginning, we will do the small room with the ground floor. So we will do it by box. So we will go to the geometry here, then select box. Let's make it like this, okay? We should go and check. We'll go to the modify from the menu. We select modify, and then we check the height and the length, the dimensions of the dimensions of the box. We see here it's really the height is really big, so we will make it 4 meter. Okay, the width from the picture it's a little bit big, so we'll make it 6, and the length let's make it 8. So it's acceptable now. We'll go now to the front view by press F and then Z. Okay. Now we will draw the shape of the building. We will draw this one by uh, by line. Okay, so we'll go to the SP line menu, then we select line. Uh, we press J, and then we select the first point here, let's say, and then when we draw the line, press Shift when you draw it to make it straight. So uh, reach here. Okay, okay, and then set the second line. Okay, okay, we'll make it like this, and let's make it still here. Yes, then press Escape from the keyboard. That's it. Now we'll remove this one. Okay, by press the J again. So now this is a shape. Okay. Um, we will select the line, and then we will go to the modify, select the line, go to the extrude. Okay, to do extrude for this line to make our shape. Okay, so the extrude it should be here somewhere. Okay, this is it. Okay. Okay, from here we will increase and decrease. Okay, now let's change the color of this one. Good one. Okay, so let's make it. Okay, that's fine. We'll go to the front view again. Z. Okay. Now we select the shape again, and we convert it to editable poly. So we'll select this one by right click. We go here and then editable poly. Okay. Now we can move the shape the way we need. So we by press polygon and then press Control when we select the second polygon, and then W, and then we move it back a little bit. Okay, I'll try to follow the photo. Okay, uh, this one here, select this one, and then we move this one to the front a little bit. We'll try. We'll try to make it as same as the photo. I think, yeah, this part is not necessary. Okay, this one here. Okay, we move it down a little bit. Oh no. Okay. Okay. So now let's move it a little bit. So we we hold on Control when we select these two polygons. W. Then we move it a little bit. Okay. Control Z. Okay, thinking now it's acceptable. Now we're gonna make the thickness of the wall. So we will select our building here. Okay, and then we'll go to the modifier list and we select fill. Now we create the thickness. The thickness, I guess it's really big, so we'll reduce it. Go here. Let's make it. Okay, now I think the size of this one is acceptable. Okay, so we'll select the structure again, right click, and then editable poly to make the opening in the top roof. And then we will select the edge and we will highlight this area. Okay, right click again, and then we will make a connect. Okay, let's make it here. Okay, if you see now the line is not straight, so we will fix this one by make a planner. Okay, now Control Z. There, we click on we click on the X, and as you see now as we see now the line is straight. And okay, now we're gonna make another line. Use the same thing. Okay, and then we click X. Okay, the opening, I guess it's a little bit big, so put a little bit here. Okay, fantastic. Now we gotta choose these two, and we go to the bottom here. Okay, and then we will make a planner. I mean, we will make a connect again. Let's make it two. Okay, so selected one by one. Click Control when we select the second the second connect in the bottom. Okay, now select this one. Gotta select the second one here. Control when we select the second connect in the bottom, and then we remove them to the right. Okay, guess we're gonna move it a little bit. Select the line in the bottom and then in the top, and then we remove it. Then we move it to the left a little bit. Okay, I guess now the opening is ready now. Okay, we go now to the polygon, select this this one and select the one in the bottom, and we are looking for now for bridge. Once we click on the bridge, the opening is ready. It's good.